string then is work. Okay, I think it does. I just need to edit this and add the 3 and this and the 3 and add some tags. So objects. It should be fine. And I think I'm live again finally. Sorry about that. At least YouTube and Mobius both tell me I'm live. Oh, I think that just doesn't show up. Yeah, it says I'm live. At least I hope I'm live. Nice. Okay. Let's resume. We were solving LeetCode 913 cat and mouse. I had my entire solution here. Basically, the idea is we'll manage each state and calculate the answer for each state. Once we have an answer for a state, we can calculate the answer for its subsequent states, but we'll do it in a recursive manner. So for each state, we'll just query around. If we query a state that is already querying me, then we'll be like, okay, not possible. We'll just continue. I suppose the answer or the default value for answer should be 0, as in by default it's going to be a draw. Unless we get a 2, then it becomes a 2. And answer, no, but no, we should keep it at -1. If this answer is 0, and I think this is the final one, and answer is not equals to 0. Honestly, answer is not equals to 0, then simply set answer as 0. Or what we can do is, if this answer is 0, then simply set answer to 0. Yeah, this works. So this calculates the answer for each and every single one of them. The idea being, hey, not, I'll also call it not just for consistency. So if we were already calculating it, then the answer for that state already depends on me, so I won't continue. If we are doing this, then otherwise, hey, if we get 1 on mouse's turn, then mouse wants to do that. Let's just move forward with it. If we get a 0, and if we never get a 1, then answer says set at 0. Otherwise, if we get nothing other than 2, which means cat is going to win no matter where I go, the answer becomes 2. Now we have an else, so it's cat's turn. So for node in graph cpos, if mpos comma node comma not turn again, and calculating. If you are already calculating it, then simply move on, because again, we'll assume, I think this is an assumption that I'm making which might be incorrect, but the idea is that if I'm calculating the answer for a state that already depends on B, then like it's either an infinite loop or this won't ever work out. Now, if the answer is -1, then I'll simply set the answer to 0. So we'll do it at the end. So if and if again the same thing basically. And for this is like what I mean. We can, I think, simplify this extremely if you factor it properly, but yeah, Yes. So if this answer is 1, actually let's change it to 2 because the cat always wants the answer to be 2. So simply just break out of it. If this answer is 0, then simply set answer to 0 irrespective of it was 0 or not 0 or 2 or 1 because again uh, draw would be better than mouse winning. If this answer is 1 and answer is -1, then only set answer to be 1. Now finally, it is possible that we keep -1, is it? No, it's not possible that we keep -1. It will always change because either we get a 1 or we get a 0 or we get a 2. Yeah, it's never possible to keep -1, so I think then this works. DP state is answer and simply return for answer. Don't need anything else. Okay, one thing that this is missing is if the answer is already in DP, I think I should return for it. Of from regression. So actually, let up this calculation. If state in DP, then simply continue. Sorry, simply return DP state. Finally, we will add these to calculating as well. So right here, we'll do calculating dot add state because now we are calculating the answer for this particular state. Again, we do not want to come back to this state again. And I think this should be it. I can just do return recur and it should give me the correct answer. I know that they're giving it as a list of lists, so I can do so. This again is a custom kind of macro that I built, a snippet that I built that helps with testing LeetCode test cases easily. Mm, Set object is not subscriptable. DP state. Oh, why is it saying set object is not subscriptable? State is not a set anywhere. DP state is 1, calculating dot discard state. Oh, I can just keep it visiting. I don't need to discard any state. No, I do. At least I should. I should. And because I'm querying this on top, right? So I should calculating the discard. I should do remove because it should be in there. No, maybe not. Okay, let's do this discard. And finally, it says set object is not subscriptable. And the problem is when we do return DP state. We are doing return DP state right here. No, not here. We are doing return here. If state in DP, then simply return DP state. Why is this not? Why is it saying set object is not subscriptable? State is not a set object. It's a tuple, right? This creates a tuple in Python, not a set. I'm confused. I'm genuinely confused now. Why is it saying set object is not subscriptable? The only place where I'm doing return DP state is there, and I'm creating the state right above it. Okay, let's try making this, even though ideally it shouldn't have any problems. Yeah, so the same thing. Again, this by default creates a tuple. I was sure of that. I don't know, I tested it again. So we have set object is not subscriptable. Mm, return requires return DB state. I think it's not creating this correctly. Let me try doing print DB. Not correct print. Mm, yeah. So that's the thing. I think it created DB this colon and then cat wins in these cases always set to. This is what I forgot. So for the first one, the answer it gave was 2, and for the second one, it gave the answer as 1, 0, and 1. Okay, let's actually kind of recreate this graph and see where it went wrong. So according to my code, the answer is 2, which means that the cat will win no matter what. According to it, the answer is 0. So there's a possibility that mouse will always be able to evade the cat no matter what. So we have 4, 3, 1. Actually, I should not write it this way because this would be horizontal for everyone. We have 4, we have 3, we have 1. Not this visible. This. Okay. We have 4, 3, 1. We have 2. We have 5, and then we have 0. And this is where mouse is, and then this is where cat is. So in the first move, the mouse goes here because it cannot go anywhere else. And the cat, I guess, goes here because, oh, one thing we, I think, did not include is cat cannot go to 0. That we need to include. I think maybe that's where the problem was. So let's try fixing it. Say pass if node is 0, simply continue. And let's run it in function. It still gives 2, which means uh, there's still something wrong with our code, but I mean, at least we added this. Cat cannot go to 0. Sure. So next move, mouse obviously goes here. The cat can go back. Then the mouse goes here. Cat can go back. And the mouse goes here. It won't go to back to 1. Yeah. So this is an infinite loop. No one would ever win. That is correct. So then why is my code giving the answer as 2? Let's see. Okay. I think the problem is this. If it is -1, then return. But then it should have given -1, right? Answer is -1, then answer is equals to 0. Or we can do and max answer -0. If it is -1, then answer 0. I think I'll have to debug this. I'm not 100% sure where this is happening. Mouse here and cut here. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, I'll debug it. Okay. So this is just, hey, if we are at the same positions, then like simply ignore it. Cat wins in those things. Sure, calculating is nothing right now. No, we shouldn't be in state. If turns, if it's mouse's turn, and then mouse can go to 0, no. If it's cat's turn and cat can, no, cat cannot. Okay, so we are calculating 1 to 1. Sure, that is correct. Answer is by default set to -1. And now we are calculating 3 to false, which is 3 to 0, right? Maybe not send this. It's just send 1 - 2. Same thing. Just makes it 1 - 2. I will restart this. And we are back to 1 - 1. Okay. 1 - 1. Yeah. And now we are at 3 - 0. Oh, wait. Sorry, my bad. I'll actually restart this and I'll add this here. Straight. Currently, we are calculating 1 - 1. Now we are calculating 3 - 0. So 3 2, and it's cat's turn. So cat cannot go to 0. Makes sense. Now we are calculating. Should change this. We're calculating 4 - 1. 4 - 1 is cat is at 4, mouse is at, sorry, mouse is at 4, cat is at 2, and it is mouse's turn. Now we are calculating 2 - 0, which simply is the cat will win. So it sets it as cat winning. Oh, okay. I think I understand what the problem is. Mouse would prefer draw over cat winning, but I cannot do that. Similarly, cat would prefer draw over mouse winning, but I cannot do that. That is why the default I had at 0, but again, that won't work either. So let's try to fix this properly. How can we know for sure if mouse is winning or cat is winning? If calculating was already in there, then we can take it. I guess that's true. Okay, so one thing we can do is instead of continue, we can do answer as 0. So if we were already calculating for this, one possible answer is definitely 0. Same here. Answer is equals to 0. Again, if the answer is ever 1, then it simply breaks out of the loop. So setting answer as 0 directly doesn't make a difference. And then continue for it. We don't need to calculate further because, again, if we were in this position already, it means that we can infinitely run this. So unless we find a 1, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, I suppose that's better. Yeah. And now it gives 0 1. Not 100% confident about the solution. I don't know why, even though I'm pretty sure it's not incorrect. But let's see. So I will move this here so that you guys can also see it. Now I'll run it. It will give 0 accepted, and now finally submitted. Yeah, it gave a wrong answer. It gave output as 0, but the expected answer was 1, meaning the mouse will win, but according to my solution, it would end in a draw, which means the cat can force for a draw. Let's see why. Let's also create this graph just to be certain. We have 0 connects to 2 and connects to 3. 3 connects to 4. 0. Sorry, no, 2 connects to 4. My bad. 2 connects to 3 and 4. No, actually, it's 1 that connects to 3 and 4. What am I doing? 0 connects to 2 and 3. There is we have 1 that connects to 3 and 4. Then we have 2 that connects to 0 and 4. Then we have 3 that connects to 0 and 1. And then we have 4 that connects to 1 and 2. Okay, fine. And this is mouse, this is cat by default. So yeah, mouse will win definitely. It will simply go here and then here. Now, why is it not winning then? Let's see. Let's debug it again and see what's going wrong. So the first state 1 to 1. Okay. Calculating dot add 1 to 1. So now the state is 3 to 0, which makes sense. Now cat cannot go to 0, which means cat has to go to 4. That is the only possible. And then we have calculating dot add state. Now we are at 4, 3, 1. Why is it at 4, 2, 1? I think I messed up somewhere. Yeah, right there. And pause, comma. That's what it should be. 101. Okay. Very, like, I hate these kind of mistakes, but there's nothing we can do. So fine. Happens sometimes. And let's use this test case and run it. Okay. This passes. Now submit it. So answer again. I want to debug each test case, but I don't know why. I'm missing something. This time we have 6 nodes in total. So we have 0 connected to 5 and 6, 1 connected to 3 and 4. Then we have 2 connected to 6, 3 connected to 1, 4 and 5, 4 connected to 1, 3 and 5, 5 connected to 0, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we have finally 6 connected to 0, 2 and 5. Okay, and mouse is here, cat is here. So in first turn, mouse can go here, cat can go here. And then in the second turn, I guess mouse would go here and cat would go here. So this is kind of where we will end up after the first couple of turns, either here or here. It does not matter. Okay. Now, the thing is, in the next turn, the mouse would go here, the cat would go here, and then if the mouse go here, then the cat would capture it. Similarly, if the mouse goes here, then cat captures it. Yeah, the answer should be 2. Sure. Let's debug it. Let's see what went wrong. So firstly, we're calculating 1 to 1. Then we are calculating 3 to 0. Sure. Then we're calculating 361. Sure. Then we're calculating 160. So mouse went back to 1 for some reason. Cat is at 6. Then we're calculating 151 because cat cannot go to 0. So 151. So this is our current condition then. Mouse is here and the cat is here. Now what happens? It's mouse's turn to move. In that case, no matter where it moves, for example, 350, cat should be able to capture it. Yeah, and it says we are not calculating them. Sure, it sets answer as true. Then we have another. So mouse wouldn't move to 3, but then mouse would like to move to 4. But even if it decides to move to 4, the outcome is same. Yeah. Answer is at 2, which means answer returns to 2. So for cat, that is good. So cat simply says, oh, I'm fine with 2. Yeah, till here everything works. Now the state is 361. And we have calculated the answer for a lot of things. Mouse cat. Now mouse wouldn't go back to 1, so mouse would definitely go to 3. Like basically we calculated for 1, so now we'll calculate for 3 and 361. And it says that the answer is, oh, we moved over it. Okay, so basically it calculated for like 560, and it said, hey, not possible. And finally we have 4, I think. Then this in this turn it would become 4. So node should be 4. Yeah, 460. So if we go in here for 460, then the answer would, like, it would calculate the answer 460. So the cat simply goes to 421 back to 2. Yeah, back to 161. 161. But we were already calculating 161. Okay, I think I should add I should add this here, even though it does not make any difference to the current problem at hand, but I think I should add it here because now it should have already been added. 161 to calculating should be there because, oh no, we weren't. Oh, okay. Let's actually do it again. Let's go back to 161. We were at 160. Yeah, 161. Here we are now at 161. Mouse is 29. 360, so mouse moves to 3. The cat will move to 321. So now the mouse wins in this particular case. Oh, but it won't go to, no, it won't go to 4. 461 nahi karega wo. 160, I think, is already part of it. Yeah, 160 simply returns in 2. Oh, cat wins. Okay. We're still at what, 461? The state is 461. Okay. Where is it getting the 0? That I think is all, like, what state is giving it 0? All states should be giving it as calculating, and it should set it as, no, okay, it's set it as 0. So for 461, it somehow said that the answer was 0, which it never should have been. And I think that the problem was this bit right here. This bit rather. Okay, if you're already calculating it, then set the answer to 0. Because it will, no, but it shouldn't have. Okay, I'm confused and I think I will move on because I need to do other things as well. I will play Minecraft. I want to play Minecraft and then I'll move on to the project. So I'll switch back to main view. I will stop this. I will actually close this and I'll launch this. Launch. Keep this back. Okay. I think I should edit the title a little. Plus Minecraft plus projects day 3 and I'll also add Minecraft to the tags. Let's reset this and let's play it. I'd like to start with a casual game, but sure, I'll start with a random mode directly. I'll play a couple games. If one game, if it takes me 40 minutes, 2 games if it takes me 30 minutes, and then I'll move on to the project. 6 would be stretching it, but let's see what happens. What happened? Why? Come on. Is it seriously gonna lower my ranking? Because that would be sad. Oh, nice. Okay, it doesn't. It connects me to the game, which is good. Shipwreck Slave. Never see the shipwrecks. Okay, no, I sometimes see the shipwrecks, but I don't know why it is so difficult for me to spot these. But sure, I can do it. I did not want this. I'll just do something. I think this is better.
Fact or
If I can find the
fiction,
shipwreck
you
again.
picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel
Oh, I have to treasure map, but I won't go back for it. I have 11 items, it should be fine. That faster. Sure, no worries. Admirably. Yeah. Right now, struggling. Oh, something. I wish I was hoping someone not this fast. Okay. Is there a better way to reach this bastion? Let's see some of them here. Let's see it. There's so many of these guys. Stables, right? The strip. Let's strip housing. Let's strip. Oh. I'm so bad. Okay. Reset or respawn. Reset or respawn. I can quickly come over to the not come here quickly.
Trace the cracks on the floor tonight. Neon shadows dancing a broken light. A heart beats loud, but it's out of sync. Lost in the rhythm, I can't quite think. The air is heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted mist.
Played that very stupidly. I need to craft a shovel. Means 2 is enough.
The crowd is asleep, but I'm still alone. Chasing whispers I'll never own. Yeah, it's heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted maze. Glow, glow, shadow glow, falling deeper. I don't
Nice. It's so quiet when I play this. Maybe I should not play this on stream. Yes, that's fine. Never interested. That's not good. I think it was in not 100% sure. Okay, I'm playing this really bad, I know. It's okay. Still come back. Really. Let me actually say where I need to go first. Does it reset? Who's going in the character? She's sadly. I missed it. No worries. I went from here. So many these guys, what the fuck? just drop it in. First is this stable for housing. Looks like stables. And I think yeah, this is where it died last time. Let's go to the top. There's the triple, and we should have, yeah, that's it. For sure stables now. This. Platform for them to jump in, or maybe I'll just go down this way. Yeah, I think that's great. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Let's play another one. Why are you forfeiting in coal? Don't forfeit in coal or iron. Everyone is a bad player. Why is this so hard? I should reduce the music volume. I think the game volume and music volume combined. I'll do this in the next game. I did not see what kind of seed this was. I hope it's a village. Looks like a village. It is a village. And we have a blacksmith. Let's start in a blah blah blah. Yes. I need a bucket. Yeah, I will need a bucket, which means there's another monster. There's a safer way to go. Sorry. the golem, which means I can just create an iron axe and a shovel. Shovel is fine. Because I will need a lot more bread, so I will. That ought to be enough. Do I need anything else? No, I don't think so. I need gravel. I don't know where gravel is. D&D on. And there's a lot of good stuff. Block profile, I won't need them. Okay, and the passion. Let's see. Okay, so I need to go to the head from that and go to the fortress. Okay. Just a mental note. There it is. I'd like to have some gold armor beforehand, but I don't think this much will be enough. Yep. Again, another stable pattern. Should be more careful when this guy is right here. This not a trip. Apparently it is not okay. No, it is again. This is a trip for sure, right? And is it stable? It is stable. again, last time I got a lot of pigs from here. Maybe I should not do that, but sure. I have enough health back. Okay. I don't have any pirates. I don't have. No, I do not have a lot of things. I'll wait. And I will have to go to. I have one prayer as I will have to go to the bed. A good campsite. Enough string. I have enough glowstone. Okay, okay, this pasture. I have no idea where to go most of the times. Not there for sure. Just go down. These are the good guys. This guy. Here's someone. I don't know where he is. Okay. I'm not there. This train, no one here by chance, calculating this. I have enough obsidian, I have enough obsidian. Okay, now I need to go right. Okay, I think that was a bad way to remember which direction because now right from there. I'll figure something out. Firstly, I need to get out of here. Industrial mushrooms. That's not bad. Not anything there. I think it's if I'm not wrong. Yes. And then we just go up. Oh, they're already in the fortress. Okay, they're just slightly ahead of me, which is fine. How did you hit me here? What the fuck? Okay. And then I had to go right. So I think this is where I came in from. So right that way, I think. That's it. Nice. I can go down and bring back up everything. Oh, fuck. Well, is not bad in word on that. I suppose that's fine. Doesn't really matter. I should be using my poles. And let's do this. at this point I am very confused. What should I do? Because I hate blinding over. Minus 30.8. So this direction 120.8. Because that's just 500 blocks in this direction. Okay, fine, I would want changes of content. Blocks to be which is with 2 individuals in this direction. Okay, come on. I need 4, so 2 more at least. Just one more. Instead of building into it. Please run that. Right there, it's fine. And surface 67, 66, 65, 64, 64. do this again. This is 160. That would be 70. One 161.5, so 1.5 degrees. Okay, I overshot it by a lot, which is very bad. Nowadays, 1.5 degrees is like 1200 blocks. No, sorry, 600, 700 blocks. 5 degrees is 200 blocks. Oh, okay, I thought 5 degrees was 500 blocks. No, it is. I can still do this. And then 640. So I have enough intervals. Shouldn't be a problem. I have enough food. I should use intervals to travel. I need wood. I forgot. It's somewhere.
You don't cry, you're not strong enough to care. Getting
This
lost
is
in my own
178 degrees.
not in the game.
90.
To see me,
178 is 88.
hoping we could try. Not a lie alone tonight. I will never have the life you stole. Now I'm keeping everything in my soul. If you call me in the night, I will
175 is 3 degrees. Water travel shot. I hope it is also exposed. I don't even think I'm going to the same stronghold anymore, honestly.
At the 11th hour, people fail to pass the test. Holding out for a last chance, the heart to relapse. One more light to take me, and I hope that you won't try. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I get out.
3 degrees is 2 degrees is 500, so 3 degrees is like 400, 430 blocks. Not far. Whenever I'm close to sub 30, I mess something up so bad. I'm not at all close to sub 30 anymore. Did I miss it? Is this it? No. I don't wanna do dolphin because I'm not really that good at triangulating it with the dolphin. Okay. Let's see. Let's try it. Okay, that looked good. Wait, so I have exactly 12 acknowledgements. I cannot afford another like. Okay. Let's straight here. And it has to be like this chunk. And test it and assume that I'm correct.
जैसे हाथी टेबल बैठा तो फिर गांधी करते मोटा चार शो का होते दंगे चलती लाठी हमने हार से सीखा और सीखों से जीत बना दी सोना था हराम तभी तो किस्मत हो रही चांदी चांदी है मीन एक दिन रहता दिल्ली दूजे दिन मैं बैठा बाली पंगा चीते से तो समझो रास्ता बिल्ली काटे काली I can see through all of them
I did not know about NCS having complete music, but sure. Boost Q by mistake. Okay, no worries. Oh, that's why it wasn't working. No worries. I just need this and I don't see anything. Now it is. I'll just. Okay, wasn't able to pick it up. Now it is. No. I should win now because like let me just arrange my inventory a little, but don't need this, don't need this, don't need this goes here, don't need this. Don't need this, don't need this, don't need this, don't need this, don't need these. I'm gonna just clean it on the beds I need. Okay, one more. Five, three, one, two, and this can go here. I don't think I need anything else. Should be enough. Okay. Should be an easy win now. I think it's because of the soul state I cannot judge where my arrows are going, which is bad. I don't have a lot of them. Just back one. Yes. GG's, finally, one victory. I think my opponent died while trying to find the stronghold, and maybe that's why I won. I just want to quickly see what happened to them. Okay, now it is this one. Show all time links. Yes. After I completed I spy. It's death at one point, death at one point, and then they died again and they had to reset the world. Okay, as soon as they're blinded, okay, something went wrong here. We wanna watch the replay? Sure, why not? Let me see what happened. Hmm, is this me? Who is this? How can I know? Okay, this is there might be no, this might be movable. No, but then I didn't know if this was so they did not have fire anymore and they died. Okay, so they went back. Okay, just not having fire is exactly what they did. Let's play one more and then we'll do some work. Okay, so I wanted to change the audio so that it might not get too much weight. No one is watching, but still. I hope it's better for everyone. Right, speed up my game significantly. I'm at 38 minutes. That's how long it took me. Where is this blacksmith? Yes, there none. I don't see a blacksmith. I don't see a toolsmith. There it is. Hmm. I almost ran out of food last turn, so I will take more this time. And I just need some blocks. There we go then. Which is Where exactly? Where are you? Should be somewhere here. I saw it. There is one for sure. We can't do that. I cannot make advancements too much. Okay. That was stupid. Did the villagers? No. I don't know which house has a crafting table. Should learn these things. I need a crafting table. I have enough food as well. This one should. This one, I think it's hard one. I put it. Then the swing should. So this one should. Come on. Seriously. No. I will come on. Most of the houses have this one, that's okay. Gravel. Like a bit behind. Now I need to start it. It is somewhere near the blacksmith. And I have enough dogs which are sad. The slowest enter ever. I am not usually this slow. I'm so slow. literally entering no blocks and wow. Okay, not a good place to be, but we'll make it work. This will fit this. And this seems good. Oh, I can see it. That's it. Let's go here. Let's manipulate this. Alright, let's do it again. Up, and then maybe there is some way to do that. Oh, is it nearby? No, other than I should not have reset the word. I need a crafting table. I can do this. I can do this. I just need to know which house has a crafting table and I'll do it 10 times faster. This one, this one. I can do this one. This has a lot of bread with a nice crafting table. No. I just need to find the crafting table. That was the biggest problem. No, blacksmith. That's if I'm from South Korea. That was near the lot of it. So purchase. That's not was it random? I used to think this was fixed. I think okay. Just this and this. No problem. Fine, this time I will just. I did travel now. I'm playing so bad. Anyways, it's similar this. They must have died too. So we're still in the bastion. This with my blocks. Okay. Luckily there are no slime system. Magma cubes. So should be easier, much easier. Good enough. And now cast. These are cells. So I am at the bastion, but I have no okay, I know where I am. The thing is, I don't really know how to connect. Okay. This is nice. British, this is obviously okay. That's good then. I'm missing one. There's no worries. Finally. I have enough of it. I do not have. I don't have enough pearls. I have enough of it. Fine, I'll give. I'll go and check this one. Let's go. Top and then from there you can find out the fortress and because I have no. Six. Five, 79.6. That is almost one basically. So it's 1000 blocks or 250 blocks, 8.5, so almost this direction, 250 blocks, that would be what, towards negative z, so 250, let's say 230 blocks in this direction. Is that one large? Come on. So minus, it's 90, so 200 minus 260 to 70. And no, 250, so minus 210. 210, 270 to 260 to 70, and finally this direction is positive, so it will be positive. Anyways, so minus 270 and then shading will be positive, so like 20 blocks, minus 50, minus 260, minus 2, minus 270. This direction, this one. Also minus 250. This is complicated set. Inside that image. We are setting up, which is smart. Uh, I just need an axe. It's time to do this. 115.6. Negative 1 so 25. 6. This is 125 because it's around 200 bucks, which is fine. You can do that. Might not win this one. You played bit really good. First, you know, played really fast this time too, but they're just pretty. Should be somewhere there. Should be there. No, no. That is sad. Still seems like something Let's start here and start here. And then start. No. Let us do like one. Oh. I think I'll just forfeit at this point. There's no point in cutting. Even if they will but using it. Wouldn't have mattered. And then we'll do that. Okay. I mean, I was shutting the stream here anyway, so it's fine, I guess. This is how we end today. I'll definitely make the project tomorrow. Bye, everyone.